Vocabulary gives us a concrete way to talk about the people, places, and things around us. From this video onwards, I am going to discuss a list of the most frequently used words and their synonyms in English with suitable examples. Learning these words is a good starting place for any beginner English learner who wants to build up his English vocabulary. Hello friends, this is Madhu Lakhotia. Last day we discussed the synonyms of two of the most frequently used English words, amazing and anger. Today we are going to discuss the words ask, angry and answer. If you are new to my channel, so please subscribe and share it with your friends. The synonyms for the word angry is mad, furious, enraged, excited, wrathful, indignant, exasperated, aroused and inflamed. We can use the word furious as Priya seems furious about the accident. One more example is willful stupidity makes him absolutely furious. Next word is enrage. Example, to scorn Christ's sacrifice is to insult and enrage the Holy Spirit. His thoughtless behavior enraged us. The next synonym of angry is wrathful. They trembled before the wrathful queen. In a wrathful voice, she demanded to know what had happened. The word indignant we can use as this was an indignant denial. She wrote an indignant letter to the editor and he was very indignant about the changes. The word exasperated we can use as overworked, exasperated parents barking at their children over little things. One more example is small children can exasperate their parents with endless questions about why this or that is so. The last synonym for the word angry is inflamed. We can use it as his angry speech inflamed the mob. One more example is his comments have inflamed an already tensed situation. The synonyms of the word ask is question, inquire of, seek information from, put a question to, demand, request, expect, query, interrogate, examine and quiz. The word inquire we can use as when I inquired, they told me she was not here. We inquired the way to the station. Next phrase is seek information from. You should visit your doctor and seek his advice. One more example is the company is seeking new ways to improve service from the employees. The last synonym which I am going to discuss for ask is query. They conducted a survey in which several hundred people were queried about their dietary habits. The last word whose synonyms we are going to today is answer. The synonyms are reply, respond, retort and acknowledge. The word retort we can use it as it brought a sharp retort from the teacher. Acknowledge, she was the last to acknowledge the mistake. So here we have completed today's 5 words and expressions. Any type of suggestions will be highly appreciated. Feel free to ask your queries in the comment box. Thank you.